Hello everyone and welcome to your weather update for the St. Louis and Columbia areas for April 9th, 2022. We have a lot to get into, so we're going to get into it now. We're going to start with our 7-day outlook for the St. Louis area. It's going to be a busy week in terms of weather. Today is going to be the last day of calm up until Thursday in terms of the weather. We're going to have a high of 58, a low of 40, so it's going to be a little chilly today. But with that being said, wear a light jacket. It's still going to be a relatively nice day to go outside, the sun beating down on you. It's going to be pretty nice there. And the mostly clear skies heading into the overnight hours. Heading into tomorrow, mostly sunny skies are expected throughout the day with wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. It's going to be a bit breezy, but that nice high of 74 as we head into the afternoon. Scattered thunderstorms are then expected to move in as we head into the evening, so I'd say around the 6 to 7 p.m. time frame. And some of those could be severe, so that 50-50 shot of rain and thunderstorms, that's not really going to move in until the evening hours. That high of 74, when it's during the day there, you're going to have that nice warm day. It's going to be a fantastic day to be outside, that high of 74 and then a low of 55 heading into the overnight hours. Monday, this is when things start really getting active. High of 70, low of 53 Monday. We're going to have scattered thunderstorms possible throughout the entirety of the day. A couple of these storms could be severe, and we also have the possibility of some isolated flash flooding, and both of those threats are going to be on the southern side of the area particularly. We'll be getting into more details with time. Tuesday, we're going to have isolated storms throughout the day becoming scattered by the evening hour, so 20 to 30% chance of storms up until the evening hours when we're going to move up to that 40% shot you see displayed. High of 76, low of 65. Overall going to be the warmest day. Going to be a nice day out. Some isolated to scattered severe storms possible. When we head into the Columbia outlook, we're definitely going to be seeing a more scattered look at severe thunderstorms on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, high 75, low 49, we're going to have a big cold front moving through. Widespread thunderstorms expected. 70% shot of rain and storms. That's going to be happening especially after 1 p.m. I do want to stress this could be a big day. Wednesday could be a very big day across the area, so it's important to stay weather aware. Still very uncertain, but on a large scale, things are looking the best that they have in a very long time. So the ceiling for this event is very high, could be a very big severe weather day. But again, there's still some uncertainties to hash out. We don't know what's going to be big yet, but all of the big players are there for a high energy, high end severe weather event. So please stay weather aware and please make sure that you have ways to get weather alerts on Wednesday. With numerous severe storms being possible, those could be particularly strong. Again, that's that high-end severe weather event. We're talking EF2 plus tornadoes, 80 plus mile-an-hour winds, 2-inch plus hail. All of that is possible. I'm not saying likely. I'm not even saying it's going to happen, but I'm saying that we do have the parameters in place that if the storms are able to take advantage, we could see something like that. So please stay tuned. I'm going to be posting daily weather updates all the way through Wednesday as this does continue, as more details do emerge. But again, high-end storm potential. The severe threat should end around 1 a.m. as we head into Thursday. And then Thursday, we're just going to have sunshine, maybe a cloud or two, high of 63, low of 43 after that cold front moves through. It's going to be a nice day, but we have to get through Wednesday first. But then Thursday, high 63, low 43. And then Friday, high 62, low 46 again. Sunshine, maybe a cloud or two. But not so bad in terms of temperatures after our active period from Sunday to Wednesday. So that's what we're looking at for the St. Louis area. In summary, today it's going to be a cooler day, but it's going to be pretty sunny. Then an active period of weather from Sunday to Tuesday, with Wednesday being when the big cold front moves through. That could be a big severe weather day. Make sure that you have weather alerts for that. And then Thursday and Friday, we're looking at things being in the 60s for the highs. Going to be some nicer days. Going to be very nice days to be outside. Let's get into the Columbia outlook now. High 59, low 43 today. Sunny, mostly clear. Basically the same thing that we've been looking at for the St. Louis area. And then Sunday, isolated storms are going to be possible there. 40% chance of precipitation. High 77, low of 52. It's going to be mostly sunny during the day with wind gusts again up to around 30 miles per hour in the afternoon, and scattered thunderstorms moving in as we head into the evening, with isolated severe thunderstorms being a possibility. Monday, we're going to have isolated storms throughout the entirety of the day across Columbia. That high of 65, low 51. We're not really expecting much flooding or severe storm concerns as much like we are over in the southern side of the St. Louis area, but still some thunderstorms are possible. Then we have that high of 80, low of 62 Tuesday with scattered storms throughout the day, and then again scattered severe storms being possible. Bigger severe threat Tuesday for Columbia than for St. Louis, that's for sure. Then Wednesday, high 72, low 43, 70% chance of thunderstorms, and again, widespread storms expected after 1 p.m. with numerous severe storms being possible. The ceiling for this event in Columbia looks about the same as it does in St. Louis, so pretty big day possible. Again, we could have some very strong storms. Just make sure that you have ways to get weather alerts as more details emerge. We're going to be getting them to you. We'll be going over this in more detail here relatively soon anyway. But numerous severe thunderstorms possible, some particularly strong, and again, that severe threat should subside by around 1 a.m. as we head into Thursday. Speaking of Thursday and Friday, things are going to be a bit cooler in Columbia than they are in St. Louis, but highs of 58 both days expected right now, and then we're going to have that slow warm-up. Again, going to be some chillier days, but it's going to be nice and sunny, not going to have to worry about storms. So again, in summary, Sunday through Tuesday, we're expecting a more active pattern, with Wednesday being the big day for some severe weather. Let's get into what the National Weather Service in St. Louis has been saying. All these forecasts courtesy of them, but this is what they're saying. This is graphics made by them. They're showing today going to be a nice day again, mostly clear skies, high of 55 to 60 with a low of 35 to 40 across the region. Here's what they're saying about strong to severe thunderstorms being possible Sunday night. Columbia on a slightly higher threat than St. Louis, but you can see scattered thunderstorms are expected Sunday night. Some severe storms are going to be possible, and all hazards are possible there. So we're looking at strong winds, large hail, and isolated tornadoes being a possibility, but large hail is going to be the highest threat coming out of this. Getting into even more details, here is the National Weather Service's key messages. Strong to severe storms are going to be possible Sunday night, with the primary threat being large hail. The potential for severe storms will continue Monday through Wednesday. With important updates coming up, confidence in timing for thunderstorms Sunday night is increasing, and their next scheduled briefing is going to be 5 p.m. today. You can go to weather.gov when that does come out and go to the National Weather Service in St. Louis. If you don't check out that, you can definitely check me out and what I'm doing over on Twitter, Facebook, things like that. And you can also see a briefing that I'm likely going to be making tomorrow morning regarding this. But again, Sunday night, level 1 out of 5 severe threat. That means isolated severe storms are possible. Then as we move into next week, that's when things get rather serious heading into Monday. So this is what the Weather Service is saying in summary. We're going to have periods of thunderstorms affecting the area Monday through Wednesday, and these storms could be strong to severe Monday and again Tuesday night through Wednesday. So big time environment setting up. Here is what we're looking at. You can see those 3 severe weather outlooks there. We are in the yellow regions for Tuesday and Wednesday, Columbia in both Tuesday and Wednesday, St. Louis in Wednesday, yellow being the equivalent of a slight risk, level 2 of 5 for severe weather, and you can see that level 1 of 5 there on Monday for us. So these are the main points. A favorable weather pattern for strong to severe storms may develop next week for our region, with multiple rounds of strong to severe storms possible, with the most likely periods for severe weather being during the day Monday and again Tuesday night through Wednesday night. The coverage and ultimate strength of these storms remains uncertain. That's the big thing. Rather high uncertainty right now. I wouldn't be shocked to see us in a level 3 or level 4 out of 5 severe threat by the time we do get to Wednesday, assuming that things continue to clear up and look more and more certain with time. We'll just have to see. Let's take a look now at the severe weather outlooks in more detail. This is Monday. You can see that green area, the lighter green, that is where thunderstorms are possible. So that's across the entirety of the area. The darker green, that's where our level 1 out of 5 severe threat is. That's where strong winds, large hail, tornadoes, isolated tornadoes are possible. And then scattered severe storms expected within the yellow region. That's a level 2 out of 5. Let's get into our flooding outlook. If you're in the green area, that means that isolated areas of flash flooding are possible. Again, the probabilities aren't too high. It's not going to be widespread, but they're going to be isolated regions that could have some flash flooding issues on Monday. Let's head into Tuesday now. You can see our severe weather outlook. St. Louis, not in any chances right now, according to the Storm Prediction Center, but they will likely be in chances by the time Tuesday's there. I guarantee at least a level 1 out of 5. Wouldn't be shocked to see a level 2 out of 5 there on Tuesday, meaning isolated to scattered severe storms. Columbia already in a outlook showing scattered severe storms being possible. In Kansas City, looking at widespread severe thunderstorm activity, numerous severe thunderstorms being a possibility. I would not be shocked to see a level 4 out of 5 in Kansas City by the time we do get to Tuesday. You can see already there, that's a level 3 out of 5. We have level 2s and 3s that get issued this far out, but again, level 3 out of 5 already for Kansas City this far out. So if you're in Kansas City, if you know anyone in Kansas City, it's going to be a big severe weather day on Tuesday. Make sure that you're reaching out to them. If you know anyone within that 30% area, again, that's the area, that level 3 area there, make sure that you're contacting them. And then again, Columbia in that level 2 out of 5, meaning scattered severe storms are possible. Here's Wednesday. This is the big day. You can see Columbia and St. Louis both within that level 2 out of 5 right now. Again, I expect that to go up with time. 5 days out, we're already in a level 2. That's pretty rare to see. And again, that's because of how high end this event is currently looking. But lots of uncertainty there. Make sure that you are weather aware on Wednesday, as the entirety of the St. Louis and Columbia areas, and Kansas City for that matter, all within the possibility of severe storms, and a rather real possibility at that. All right, well, now that we've gone over the severe weather threat enough, let's talk about what's happening in the long range. This is for April 14th through 18th. This is the Climate Prediction Center's temperature outlook. You can see Missouri generally looking at below average temperatures being a possibility here. And we're looking at like 60 to 70, 70 to 80% chances of below average temperatures. So things are going to be pretty cool after this weather event moves through. You can see there again the precipitation outlook, slightly above average precipitation expected. That's again because of the more active period that we're going to be moving into. That should mostly be moving out, and that precipitation is going to be moving to the east of us. It's going to be in the eastern portion of the country as we do move out of that. Let's now talk about the ultra long range. That's the 16th through the 22nd. You can see again below average temperatures are mostly expected to persist, and we're expecting with fairly high confidence 60 to 70% chance we're going to have those below average temperatures, with near normal precipitation currently being the expectation. That's what we are definitely going to be looking at right now. So that's what you can see there. Now let's take a look at weeks 3 through 4. So this is April 23rd through May 6th. You can see equal chances of above or below average temperatures. Wouldn't be shocked to bank more on above average temperatures as time goes on, and equal chances for above or below average precipitation. And then as we head into what's happening this month, valid for April, pretty much equal chances of average or below average temperatures in St. Louis and Columbia, slightly above average temperatures, the current expectation, with above average precipitation across the Columbia and St. Louis areas being the expectation throughout most of April. As we head into the seasonal outlook, as we head into the summer, so that's April, May, and June, you can see rather clearly St. Louis and Columbia areas expected to be in above average temperatures, with Kansas City in the well above average category. Then you can see there equal chances for the St. Louis area of above or below average precipitation. And as we head into Columbia and Kansas City, we do have a slight tilt towards below average temperatures. Well, with that said, thank you all so much for watching. I hope this weather briefing was useful. Again, a serious weather event looks to be coming up as we do head into a more active pattern. Make sure you have ways to get weather alerts in the next weather update I do, which will be tomorrow morning. We'll start going into more detail on how you can prepare for severe weather, ways you can get weather alerts, and what to do in the event that you're in a severe thunderstorm or tornado warning. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you tomorrow morning.